making all those replay against our DPM. The more she's making those things, the more she's giving more good power and making our DPM to go rival as a strong woman. And I love our DPM that she don't even shake. She don't even come along and begin to talk her, calling their name. They are doing this, they're doing that. No. She's doing everything she's doing very, very perfect. The way we Biafrans.
My brother, I would like you to for them. I would like you to see, try your best to see if you can read what is on the screen now. This is Calabar TM, right? I don't know if you can see that. If you can see that, just try your best and see if it is readable for you. Okay, you can see he said in Akwa Ibom, what we have is political Ijos Obolo minority who cling onto the Ijo umbrella for political survival and now instigating violence in our state. Okay, then down part you see, however, before you marry Ijo first, ask if they are one of those Igbo slave settlers masquerading as Ijo today. This post is being made by somebody, I don't know the person, Calabar. You can see that. Now, if you come down here, you see a diagram like this one you are seeing here now. The three types of Ijos. Legend, political Ijo, Igbo slave settlers, and the real Ijo. Now, this is coming from Akparawa's side, though. Just like you have this guy called what is the name of this? Insima. He's busy insulting Igbo people, calling them names because he felt that he can gain favor from Oduduwa people, from Yoruba land. I'm not against it, but you don't need to condemn somebody that have not done anything wrong to you just because you want to get your political gain. And Akparawa don't want to reply or call their people to order, but he's busy telling you how to be more Igbo and more Biafran. I'm not against it too, but let us call a spade, because this person that called from Abon said that Igbos are they're all saboteurs. I'm not here to defend that, but you that are part of the Biafra, are you doing anything differently from what Igbos are doing? The answer is no. Who is actually doing something for Biafra to come? Have you actually joined hands to do anything reasonable to liberate yourself and Igbo, as you claim that you are part of it? But your own is to cite something. All of them that are not from the so-called Far Eastern part, all of them are with Ogenken. Why? Because Akparawa is there. They feel that their brother is there. I have not seen anybody that come out and maybe just to say it, that this is where you belong and what you represent. They don't do that. Okay? They don't do that. Hello?
There's one video I sent it to your WhatsApp about Ogenkere broadcast.
Okay.
You know, if you use that broadcast to use it and do program, you will laugh. Even the Biafrans will laugh. Which kind of man be that person?
Okay.
Understand? If a man does not, you cannot compare him with COS at all. I don't know what people see about that man. I have said that man to go and continue doing his business.
My brother, nobody is comparing anything here. That's not it. Nobody's comparing anything. Just that I don't even drive joy in talking about Odenker much. Just that our people need to hear the truth. That if not, why would I be talking about him? Anyway, I will watch the video after the broadcast. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. God bless you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. So, Frank, please, you have been calling. I know if I did not answer your call, okay, let me just look for you, please. You have been calling and calling and calling. I think, Frank, I hope you are the one. Please, if I'm not answering your call, please just bear with me. The call is too many.